TRAW stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? We'll watch this 2-minute video till the end to find out. First of all, no one else in this space has come even close to making the amount of volume that I've done over the last 5.5 years with 48,000 analysis. With all this data, I've seen what's actually making me money and what's not. I've actually been in the trenches. Looking at TRAW, dude, it's tough. It's really tough. I mean, the price finally started pumping, you know. There's a big gap. But just from the higher time frame validation, this is, oh my god, yeah, it's just choppy price action, to be very fair. Seems like, I mean, this could be just a major flush for the bearish side. But it doesn't mean that we cannot scalp it on the lower time frame as long as it makes sense. And if when I go to the 5-minute, this is not making sense. For me at least, right? But yeah, I'm obviously not trading this. I'm not clear at all. Sort of slowly pumping up. I mean, if there's just a small little flush and a double break, I mean, possibly, but with this liquidity, very tough to operate. Very tough. But if you want to get my exact 3-step framework that I'm using to make my money and trade, then just click the first link in the description. It's free. Bye-bye.